Hi, and welcome to this video breaking down critical indicators that point to your nonprofit needing Salesforce. Let's first quickly define Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's leading customer or stakeholder relationship management tool, or CRM for short. It's a technology platform that helps organizations manage interactions with the various stakeholders. Running a nonprofit is all about impact, but if outdated systems are slowing you down, it might be time for a change. Here are 5 telltale signs that your organization needs Salesforce to streamline operations and maximize your mission. Starting at number 5, your data is scattered everywhere. Are your donations tracked in the good old manuscript notebooks? Do you have dozens and dozens of them that make it hard to locate even a single record? Are your beneficiary records stored in spreadsheets whose names look something like this? Do you even remember who has the flash drive to the most recently updated file? Are you storing volunteer details and bios in WhatsApp messages? Well, I could go on, but if this describes you and your organization, I know that you know a lot of critical data gets lost in the wilderness, and without a centralized system, you limit the potential of your organization's impact. In this case, think of Salesforce as your organization's personal declutter administrator. It is your single view of truth that consolidates all relevant data points, giving you a strong data foundation that you can easily use to drive key decisions and insights. You won't have to go hunting down the many lists of people that engaged in your last fundraising campaign. This will easily be stored in the cloud and accessed anywhere you go, even with your smartphone. Number 4. You struggle to keep donors engaged. Many organizations, especially locally in Uganda for instance, rely on one-time donations. You see, this works when you're driving for a single specific campaign. However, for sustainability over the long haul, if you intend to grow a giving culture among your stakeholders, it is critical to keep your donors continually engaged. Now, understandably, if you have a long list of donors and prospects, it can be a long and tiring manual task to keep each of them individually engaged with appreciation notes or impact updates or upcoming events, especially personalizing the messages to what resonates with each individual donor. These manual repetitive tasks are exactly what the Salesforce technology aims to take off your shoulder so that you can focus on what truly matters in your mission. Salesforce automation can help you automate donor acknowledgements and thank you messages. For instance, every time a donor sends a gift through a bank, Salesforce can automatically send them a personalized message thanking them. These messages can even be sent in a handwritten digital style. At the same time, it can also generate customized receipts for tax purposes if required. It can also schedule follow-up calls if that is your process. Say you have a welcome email sequence for new donors. Salesforce can automate these series of emails to keep donors engaged. You can send them success stories or impact reports all at regular intervals. You can as well automate reminders for personal outreach, such as from a fundraising officer. Salesforce also comes with artificial intelligence baked in, and that you can use as an extra tool to automate other processes, such as lapsed donor re-engagement, invitations and RSVPs, volunteer and donor cross-engagement, surveys and feedback collection, and many more, ensuring donors do not slip through the cracks. At number 3, your reporting and compliance takes forever. How long did you take to generate the last fundraising campaign performance report? Do you always push deadlines where you have to present the accurate beneficiary tracking reports? How about URSB compliance reports for the case of Uganda? Here is a quick view of the reports that can be time-consuming to create, but which are as simple as a few clicks in Salesforce. They range anywhere from donor and fundraising reports to program impact reports to financial and operational reports, as well as compliance and regulatory reports. See, Salesforce frees you up to focus on actual impact. An honest question for you as a leader at your organization is, what would you rather spend your time doing? Would you spend hours or days manually creating these different reports? Or would you be better off executing your mission meticulously while transforming your community? Number 2, you are growing, but your systems are not. As your nonprofit expands, whether to Kampala, Gulu, Mbarara, or beyond international borders, the complexity of managing donors, programs, and volunteers grows as well. Here are a few things that will need more and careful attention. Number 1, administrative costs. You want to have centralized data that helps reduce errors and ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and not having to build a separate IT department and infrastructure for each of your branches. Number 2, coordinating operations across multiple locations. When you go international, chances are you will be operating in different time zones and different field offices. Salesforce enables real-time collaboration across global teams. Its cloud-based access allows employees, volunteers, and partners to update data from anywhere, even in remote areas with low connectivity. 3, managing global donor and fundraising data in one place. You may be receiving donations from multiple currencies. Here, Salesforce centralizes donor data and automates multi-currency tracking, ensuring seamless financial management. Your organization can easily track grant funding, donations, and recurring gifts across different regions, all in one system. And 4, scaling your outreach and engagement for a global audience. Personalization becomes key the bigger your organization grows because of the diverse audiences, languages, and cultures. Salesforce enables automated multilingual donor communications. It also enables artificial intelligence-driven segmentation to tailor outreach for different supporter groups, as well as integration with WhatsApp, SMS, and email platforms for local engagement. So in summary of number 2, as you expand, you need your systems to scale with you so that you may maximize efficiency in executing your mission. And lastly, at number 1, you want to keep your organization's costs down. While running a nonprofit, there can be a number of things that distract you from your mission, and a big one of these is money and lost time. Let's explore this a bit more. Number 1, time-consuming manual processes. Administrative tasks like donor tracking, reporting, and volunteer coordination can cost significant amounts of time. Earlier on, we saw how Salesforce automates these and reduces the workload on staff, or even the need for extra staff and outsourced services. Number 2, smarter fundraising and donor retention. If we work smarter to engage donors and not let them slip through the cracks, we can in turn get rewarded with more gifts from them, thereby maintaining a better donation versus expenditure margin. Salesforce uses AI-powered insights and various automations to keep supporters engaged, leading to higher donor retention. Number 3, reducing IT and infrastructure costs. Because Salesforce is based in the cloud, organizations do not need to invest in expensive IT infrastructure, services, or maintenance. Updates and security are handled by Salesforce, which cuts down on IT expenses. Last but not least is that Salesforce is free for nonprofits. Yes, all the features mentioned in this video, the easy reporting, the donor engagement automation, the convenient data management, and a lot more are all provided for free to nonprofits by Salesforce. Salesforce provides free licenses to its top enterprise package through a program called The Power of Us, allowing organizations to use enterprise-level CRM without the high startup costs of software. Now, this alone is the number 1 sign that your organization needs Salesforce. It's all a win-win-win from here when it comes to pursuing your mission. If any of the points we discussed in the video describes your situation in your organization, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. I'm going to put a link in the video description and comment section as well, so that you can schedule a free consultation to assess if indeed Salesforce is a fit for your particular organization and the next steps on how to get it set up for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you the best in your mission to make the world a better place.